How you doing, people? Hope you're well. My name's Duncan Walsh. Okay, another very quick video today, which is really just a reminder for the type of training that you should continually remind your body of. And that is one that does have more of a dynamic and an athletic component. And really how important it is to retain that athletic aspect of your training. So really the best example of this is that in theory, you could be really strict on your diet and do weight training, resistance training. And if you progress your resistance training, which is really important to do, and you are very strict on your diet, you'd probably look pretty good. But you've got to ask yourself, how athletically am I actually training? Now, if you go running or jogging, there is an athletic aspect of that to a degree. But if, for example, after your jog, you introduced a few burpees or some plyometrics, burpees with a jump, for example, squat jumps, star jumps, something with a dynamic aspect to it, then you're working your body in a more athletic way. And of course, you're using all sorts of other muscles in a stabilization way. You might think, for example, burpees are more just legs orientated, but of course you use your core because you're using your core in a stabilization way. Getting up and getting down off the floor is a massive functional fitness aspect. Things like mountain climbers, using your body in a different way, all contributing to functional fitness. So I guess what I'm saying is, don't fall into the trap of just doing resistance training, going to the gym, and then dieting in order to look good. Don't get me wrong, everyone wants to look good, and those two things in themselves are still very good things to do. But for fitness, you need a complete picture. As we all know, you need strength training and cardio. But you've also got to combine that with the ability to move in different directions. So the message here is, use your body in a variety of different ways. Don't just go jogging. Don't just go swimming. Keep your body flexible and adaptable, and surround that with the aspects of cardio and strength training. So if you are someone that, say, goes jogging, mix up your training a little bit with maybe a couple of HIIT circuits. If you're stuck for any, I've got a ton of them in my 28-day workout programs, combined with email coaching from myself, and we can discuss what's the best for you. Okay, I'm away at the minute, and my sleep was a little bit better, and I actually got a pretty good score on my Navy SEAL burpees, or not bad for me. So I'll probably post that in the next one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.